Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger a chat AI agent using Ruby. By the end of this video, you'll have a chat AI agent for banking support that your Ruby application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Head over to Build, and under Agents, start typing your prompt to define what you want the AI agent to do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered chat AI agent that assists users with questions related to their bank account activity. The agent should help explain transactions, account details, billing information, and upcoming payments. It should provide clear, accurate explanations and guide users on appropriate next steps whenever clarification is needed. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your chat agent. Now open the API request trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API auth ID and API auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API request details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a customer views their account dashboard and initiates a support query. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select Ruby. Plivo generates a ready-made Ruby snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone Ruby script or from within your application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a customer opens the banking dashboard and needs clarification. Now let's test it locally. Paste the Ruby snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your chat AI agent. Let's see how it works. As soon as the customer opens their account dashboard and views their account statement or recent transactions, the chat AI agent activates and begins assisting. And that's it. Your chat AI agent for banking support is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Ruby application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and provide real-time assistance to users directly within your banking dashboard.